Hey everyone, and welcome back to Agani Academy English. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Eric. So glad you could join us today.
We've got like a really fun episode for you today, packed with some super relevant and, essential American slang phrases.
Yeah, these aren't just any old phrases either. These are the ones you need to know for 2025. Like if you want to sound current.
Exactly. We want to make learning these new terms really fun, super conversational, and, easy to understand for everyone, whether you're just starting out or you're already pretty familiar with American English.
Absolutely. It's all about, adding that extra layer to your English. It just makes you sound more natural, I guess. So are you ready to dive into some really cool slang? I know I am.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's get into it. Okay, Eric, let's start with one I hear everywhere lately. It's giving.
Yes, like if someone walks in wearing a super cool outfit, you could say, it's giving fashion icon.
Or if your coffee shop feels really cozy and like welcoming, you could totally say, it's giving grandma's house vibes. It's like you're describing the feeling or the overall impression of something.
Exactly. It's not about, what it is literally, but more about what it reminds you of or the kind of feeling it puts out there. It's super versatile too.
Next one, I say this one all the time, honestly. I'm dead.
And no, she's not actually dead. Don't worry, folks. Not literally.
Right. Like it just means something is so funny, you just can't stop laughing. You're just like overwhelmed with laughter.
Yeah, exactly. Like when I saw that video of that cat trying to jump on the counter and falling off the table in slow motion, oh man, I was like, I'm dead. Like I could not breathe.
Ooh, here's a powerful one next, I think. Slay.
Yes. Oh man, slay. That just means you crushed it, You did a great job, like totally excelled.
Exactly. Like you can say, she slayed that speech. Like she absolutely nailed it. Or he slayed in that suit. Like he looked incredible, so confident.
Yeah, it's like confidence and success all wrapped up in one word, really. It's pretty cool. All right, what about cold now? And, not the weather this time, obviously.
Right. No, not like, brr, it's cold outside. When we say cold in slang, it can mean someone is like super bold or kind of savage. They don't hold back.
Yeah, exactly. Like if someone just tells a really hard truth and they just like don't sugarcoat it at all, you might say, whoa, that was cold. They went for it.
Totally. And, it can actually be a compliment too, depending on the context. Like if someone delivers like a really sharp, clever comeback, you might say, ooh, that comeback was cold. Like it was really good.
I love this one. This next one is no cap. It means like I'm being honest or, I'm telling the truth. Exactly. So cap is actually slang for a lie. So if you say no cap, you're saying you're not lying. You're telling the truth. You're being straight up.
Exactly. Like if you want to really emphasize something, you might say, oh my gosh, this is the best burger I've ever had. No cap. You really mean it.
Or, if you just finished like a really tough exam, you could say, man, that was the hardest English quiz ever. No cap. Like seriously, it was tough. Okay. All right. Let's talk about bet. Like B-E-T. It's so short, but I don't know. It feels really powerful, actually.
It really is. Yeah, you just hear it everywhere now. It means okay or like I'm down. It's very versatile.
Yeah. Like if I said to you, hey, you want to meet for coffee at 6? And you could just reply, bet. And that's it.
Exactly. It's like saying, sure thing or absolutely. It's so simple and kind of cool, actually. Okay, so this one definitely comes up a lot, especially when you're talking about relationships or even just like dating. It's red flag.
Yeah, for sure. It's like it means something is a warning sign, right? Or just like a really bad sign, I guess. Something that's a problem.
Exactly. Like if someone says, oh, he never texts back, that's a red flag. It's just, a clear indicator of maybe not a good situation.
Or if she's like really rude to the waiters at a restaurant, you'd be like, whoa, that's a huge red flag. It's definitely something to, pay attention to.
All right, Eric, last one. And I really do love this one. Say less.
Oh, yeah, for sure. When someone says say less, it kind of means like, I get it, or like you don't need to explain anything else.
Right. It's like a really cool kind of smooth way to just agree quickly without like going on and on. So like if I said, want to grab tacos after this podcast? You just go, say less.
Yeah, exactly. Or if your friend like says, hey, let's watch a movie tonight, my treat. You just go, say less. It's like, you're already on board.
Yeah, it's short, it's confident, and it's definitely smooth. Very 2025, I'd say. So, let's just go over all 8 again, really fast and fun.
Yeah, definitely. For a quick recap.
Okay, so it's giving.
Describes the whole vibe, right?
Exactly. And I'm dead is...
Oh, that's just hilarious. Like beyond funny.
Right. Then we had slay.
Yeah, that means you totally crushed it. You did great.
Yep. And then cold. That's like being super savage or just really bold.
Uh-huh. And no cap, that just means no lie, like for real.
Yeah, for sure. Bet is...
Oh, bet is just okay or sure,
Yep, simple. Red flag.
That's definitely a warning sign. Uh-oh.
Totally. And our last one, say less.
Oh, that means got it or like no explanation needed. You're on the same page.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So now it's totally your turn, listeners. We want you to try using 2 slang phrases from today's list in just 1 sentence.
Yeah, and then, drop it in the comments below wherever you're listening.
Yeah, we'll definitely be checking them out.
And we might even we might read your sentence in the next episode. So yeah, get creative, no cap. All right, well, that's all the slang we have for you today, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to Agani Academy English.
Yeah, honestly, we really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us and, learn a little something new.
Absolutely. And if you enjoyed this episode, please, consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out.
And hey, leaving a comment too would be, just amazing. It helps more people find us and join the Agani Academy family.
Don't forget that mini challenge too. We're super excited to see what sentences you all come up with.
Yeah, definitely send those in. We'll be looking for them. And make sure to stay tuned for our next episode coming out soon.
We've got more exciting English topics lined up. So until next time, this has been Amanda
And Eric.
from Agani Academy English. Bye, everyone.
See ya.